In this video, I will show you how to set up Telegram credentials in n8. This setup will allow you to connect your Telegram bot to n8n to automate chats, send notifications, and create advanced workflows. Telegram is one of the most popular automation apps, and connecting it to n8n opens up endless possibilities. And by the way, if you need ready-made automations, I have a selection of workflows for n8n. You can download right away in my store on Gumroad. Let's start with n8n. In the top left corner, click Create Credentials and select Telegram. Here you will see a field for your access token. This is the key that binds your Telegram bot to n8n. Now let's get your access token. Open Telegram and find the bot father. Start a chat with bot father. Enter the command mice new bot. Bot father will ask you for two things. First, a name for your bot. This will be displayed in contacts. Don't worry, you can change it later. Second, a bot id. This is important. It must be between 5 and 32 characters long. Only Latin letters, numbers, and underscores. And it must end with the word bot. For example, my test bot. Remember, you cannot change the username later. After you confirm, bot father will create your bot and give you an access token. Remember, keep your token secret. Treat it like a password. Don't post it in public repos or screenshots. Copy this access token. Go back to n8n. Paste it into the access token field. Save the credentials. Save the credentials. That's it. Now you know how to set up Telegram credentials in n8n. With this connection, you can automate chats with clients, send notifications, and even create full-fledged Telegram bots all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And if you want to save time, check out my Gumroad store for pre-built n8n workflows. They're plug and play and will help you get your automations up and running faster. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to more plant theory tutorials, and share this with everyone learning n8. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.